I was asked to do the Tumblr accent challenge. Okay. My name is Alicia. My username or URL is Lucifer Cotton. I'm from Kentucky. Pronounce the following words: ant, roof, route, theater, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, water, New Orleans, pecan, both again, probably, Alabama, lawyer, coupon, mayonnaise, pajamas, cot, naturally, aluminum, GIF, Tumblr, Cracker Jack, doorknob, envelope, and G-boy. What is it called when you throw toilet paper on a house? TP. What is a bubbly carbonated drink called? Soda, not pop. What do you call gym shoes? Gym shoes. What do you call your grandparents? Grandma, grandpa. What do you call the wheeled contraption in which you carry groceries at the supermarket? A cart? What is the last thing you change? Wait, what? Oh, what is the thing you change a TV channel with? A remote. Choose a book. There is no book, so I won't be doing that. Do you think you have an accent? No. I think I sound like a normal person. Be a wizard or a vampire? A wizard. Yeah. Do you know anyone on Tumblr in real life? My best friend Megan, Gus Farios. Go follow her. End audio post by saying any 3 words you want. Fuck you all.